नमस्ते। मेरा नाम स्नेहा मिश्रा है और जो आज का मैं डाउट लेकर के आई हूँ मेरी क्लास में कॉमनली पूछा जाने वाला वो है लेटर है एंड है, मतलब है विदाउट डॉट एंड है विद डॉट। सो उनका ज़्यादातर क्वेश्चन होता है कि मैम कौन से सेंटेंस के एंड पे हम इन दोनों में से कौन से हा को लगाएंगे, वेयर वी कैन यूज़। सो फर्स्ट थिंग हमारा जो कॉमन होता है बताने का, वी ऑल नो इट कि वेयर द सेंटेंस इज विद सिंगुलर नाउन, that place you have to use a word hai without dot, and where the sentence comes with a plural noun, that place you have to use a hai with a dot. And similarly, if you have to give a respect for the elder person also, whether it is a singular, but you have to use a hai. For example, you cannot say पिताजी आ रहा है. It won't look good, not appropriate, and it's not showing the respect also. So you have to say पिताजी आ रहे हैं. अब पिताजी is a singular noun, okay, but they are elder than you, so you have to use their हैं with dot, okay. सेम अध्यापिका आ रही हैं, शिक्षक पढ़ा रहे हैं, okay. So these all are the singular, but they are elder. You have to give them a respect. So that place you have to use a हैं with dot, okay. And now, okay, so here you can see this is a hai without dot, and here is a hai with dot, okay, with and without dot. It's a singular. For example, लड़का आ रहा है. This is a correct, but you can't say the पिताजी आ रहा है. Even though पिताजी is a singular, but here you cannot use it. So where we will use this for the plural and for the respect. Okay, लड़के आ रहे हैं, पिताजी आ रहे हैं. बच्चा खेल रहा है, बच्चे खेल रहे हैं. See, रहा plus है. Where you see the raha, there it will come hai. Where you will see rahe, that place it will come hai. So this is just a common doubt which usually my students ask in my class. And now I have one task sheet related to it which I just now prepare. If you're from Hindi background, easily you can do it, but basically my channel is more focusing to the non-Hindi background. So here you can see अध्यापिका खा रही, what will come here? बच्चा पढ़ा रहा रही. So please check this and try to give my answer in a comment. For example, मुझे मेरे माता पिता बहुत प्यार करते. What will come? The hai with dot or without dot? Please give me the answer in comment. Thank you so much.